Hello everybody, it's Sunday evening. We're still in the middle of the coronavirus mess, and as you can see, I am still on the beach. There is not a soul out here today. It's probably, I don't know. Oh, I gotta watch. Wait a minute. It's 6:31. There is nobody. I haven't seen one single person since I left the house. Just the way I like it. They have not closed the beaches here on Sanibel yet. You can't park here. I've told you that in all the other videos. You can't park here. If you live within walking distance or biking distance, you can come to the beach. But you can't come by car. It's been rainy. It looked like it was going to rain. We had a little bit of drizzle this morning. We need rain desperately. It rained a couple nights ago, but nowhere near enough. I haven't checked today. Well, this afternoon. I checked this morning. We now had 4 confirmed cases of COVID-19 on the island. There was still 1 in Captiva. I haven't heard if there's any more or not. I didn't check before I came out today. There is a big sailboat way down there, but got it zoomed in as far as I can. You really still can't see it, I don't think. I guess because it's cloudy, you don't get that real bright, vivid blue-green that you usually get out here on these kind of days. Some little guys walking the beach. They're watching me, but they really don't care that I'm here. I've been looking for shells as I go, but I'm not seeing anything that I want to take home with me. Let's say this. It's something in the water right there. I think it's a pelican. Let me get the drone up, and I'll show you what it looks like on a deserted beach. Okay, I'm going to make this short. I just want to let you know that the beach is still here. It'll be here when you finally can come back again. Alright, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll see you on the next video. And as usual, if you haven't, please subscribe. Bye-bye.